So now next we are having this question number 8, that is the number of sp2 sigma bonds in the compound given below. So you have been given this compound, you have to identify how many number of sp2 sigma bonds are present here. So let us first draw this structure. Like we are having this structure, we are having this ring, fine. With that we are having this 4-member ring. With this 6-member ring, there is this 4-member ring attached and having this pi bond here. So as you know, different kinds of hybridization you study, that is sp hybridization is there, then sp2 is there, sp3, and likewise there are other type of hybridization also. So we have to identify the sp2 bond. Okay, so like this carbon, it is sp2 hybridized, as you can see, since it has 3 sigma bonds attached. 2 are with carbon, like this number 1, like this carbon bond, then we have this carbon bond, and this carbon also has 1 hydrogen attached here. Okay, like this, there may be 1 hydrogen here. So this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Similarly, like this carbon, so it has formed this CC bond with this sigma bond, another carbon bond like this, and this carbon also has hydrogen with it. So similarly, this carbon will also be sp2 hybridized. Now coming to this carbon, now you can see that this carbon has formed 3 carbon sigma bonds, like 1, 2, and 3, and this carbon also having 1 hydrogen with it. So, but in this case, you can see that this central carbon has formed 4 bonds. So its hybridization will be sp3. Similarly, this carbon also having sp3 hybridization, same sp3. Coming to adjacent carbon, this one, like you can see that this carbon again, it has formed 2 carbon sigma bonds and 1 carbon, like this, 1 carbon hydrogen bond is there. So this carbon is, you can say it is sp2 hybridized. Coming to this carbon, so this carbon will be also sp2 hybridized, fine. This carbon, wait, I'm having like this carbon is there. Okay, fine, this carbon. So this carbon has formed 2 carbon bonds, like this carbon sigma bond is there, another this carbon bond is there, and 1 hydrogen will be there. So this carbon is also sp, you can say sp2 hybridized. This carbon, it will also be sp2 hybridized. And now you have to tell how many sp2 sigma bonds are present here. So in this case, you are observing that number 1, like this, having, okay, fine. So number 1 will be this carbon bond, sp2 hybridized, number 1. Next we have is this sp2, this also sp2, so number 2. Number 3 will be this bond, fine. So this is number 3, and number 4 will be, you can say, like this carbon will also be sp2 hybridized, clear, sp2. So number 4 will be this. So total we have 4 sp2 sigma bonds present in this given compound. So our answer will be C, that is this 4. Is it clear?